In our society, we are always talking about psychosomatic. This is a way you create problems in that you have thoughts, stories that are not coherent with who you are, and these then create problems in your life, in your body, and your body is then actually holding tension patterns in order to defend these stories, and in this way you don't really live who you are. What we are doing is somatopsychic. You want to have different thoughts, you have to change your body, you have to change the tension patterns in the body, in the spine. This allows then your brain to access a different operating system which is downloading then different thoughts, and thoughts that are coherent with who you are, that are authentic with who you are, and not the expression of your conditioned being.